there's one particular field that has an attraction as far as missel thrushes are concerned, and redwings, etc. Song thrush as well, saw one of those today, a few redwings, but 7 missel thrushes together in one field. That's not bad, is it? Plus, just brief footage there, but I've seen my very first lapwing ever in the valley in 4 years. So that's a new tick for the year, and that tick list is expanding slowly but surely. Funny thing is that just before I saw those lapwings, I was thinking back to when I was a child, and in South Staffordshire we had regular flocks, huge flocks of lapwings in the winter passing over. You'd see them on fields as well, even in the area where I live. They weren't just passing through to get somewhere else, but over the years they have declined sharply. Always a great bird to see. Another very enjoyable walk in the valley with Dilwyn, my Bedlington terrier. I do keep, in reference to birds, I do keep a list, a nature blog actually, so not just birds, not only of the valley itself, but also from the garden. Well, I live in the valley, so in many ways they are intertwined, of course. So if you're interested in that, then check out my website, and maybe you live in the area yourself and you don't quite realize what we've got on our doorstep. Why not explore it?